Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last month and how the price of crude can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen since 2019, that the crude price in 2019 was moving in a particular range after making a low of 42.71 and made a high of around 66.68. okay, this is 2019. After that, what we have seen in 2020, a very volatile market, that the price went down to around minus, and then from there it has recovered in the 2020 part, and from there in 21 we have seen a sharp rise. Okay, so this is in a range bound. 2019 2020 made a volatile market minus, and then we have come into plus. Okay, and now 2021 we have a sharp rise. Now what we can see in 2022, the first month, what we are looking at, that the price is continuously rising. Okay, if you look at the month from 2022, we have seen the price has moved from 77 to a level of 91.95, which is currently trading. That means around almost $20, around $18 to $19 of movement happened in the upside. Okay, now before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, from 2016, 2017, 2018, it was in this particular range, but in 2019 we have seen that it has moved downside as well as upside, but a little movement, but it is in the range. 2020 volatile and 21 upside, and now in 2020 we have seen a good movement from the beginning of the month. Okay, now what we can see in the next month. See, if you look at the chart, what we have seen, that it is continuously in the rise trend, in an uptrend. Okay, so if you look at, because this period has not come since 10 years, that the price has rise to this level of 91.95. okay, so we have to look for whole of the month, all years, then only we can see that the price can go further high. I have explained in my previous video also that if the price goes above 90, where all it can reach. You can check my previous video also. Now also I'll explain you, but before that, reaching to that level, I'll tell you if the price goes below this level, where it can go. See, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, it has already made a high of around 93. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 90.14. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 88.77. okay, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 87.91. again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see a level of 90.31, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 88.77. and suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 88. Price didn't sustain a level of 88, then we can see it can come down to a level of 86.54, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 85.52. and I have already told you that 85.52 is a strong resistance when the price was moving up. okay, and now it has become a support, so it is trading at this level. If it comes at this level, what we can see a bounce back from this level. okay, we can see a bounce back from this level, or we can see it can go further low. okay, so this is the point where you have to be very careful, that if the price comes close to this level, you can book half of your profit, or if it bounce back from this level, then you can again in a buying situation, or if it goes below this level, then you can exit the position if you are in a buying position, or if you sell it, then you can continue. okay, so now if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 82.43, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 79.73. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then what we can see, it can come down to a level of 77.12. and now understand, again 85 is a strong support. Now 76.95 is also a very strong support. Okay, so keep this in mind. If the price, if this level didn't sustain and if it comes close to 77, what we can see, a bounce back from this level, we can see a bounce back. Or if this, we didn't see a bounce back from this level, then we can see it can fall further to a level of 75.58, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 74.48. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 69.75, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 67.70. okay, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 63 also, and then from there we can see it can fall further. But understand one thing, if the price comes below a level of 69, we can see fall for the price in the, yes, so 85 is a strong support, 77 is a strong support. If the price goes below this level, probability of touching this is high, okay, or bounce back also high. If it goes below this level, we can see it can come down again, or it can fall further. Now suppose if the price sustain this level, what is now trading at? Okay, so I have to show you particular chart, full chart, then only you will understand, because it is an 10 years high that it has crossed this level, because since 2013 since 2014 it has not touched this level. okay, so it is around you can say 7 years high. okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, then probability of touching 92.87 is high. It has already made that particular high, so probability of touching 92.7 is high. And suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 95.80 also. okay, and from there, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 98. okay, and 98 is already being tested here. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 92.87, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 93.97. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of it can go up to a level of 95.80, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 97.97, and these levels are already being tested here. So chances of going towards 98.37 is high, and these levels, this 98.37 is touched. okay, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 98.73. from there we can see a level of 100.57. suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go to a level of 103.86 also, and then it can go further high to a level of 106.06, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 109.36, and it can go further upside, because all these levels are being tested here. So probability of touching 114 is also high. okay, but now understand one thing. If we look at back tested, okay, if I back test you and I'll show you how the pattern works, and you have to look at very carefully. okay, so I'll show you a week chart where you will understand how this works. See, if you look at the chart carefully, you can see that month wise I'll show you, sorry. See, now if you look at the chart, what we have seen, that whenever the price has made a high, a profit booking has come. okay, if you want to see, then see, look at this chart. This is a level of 63. when the price has touched this level, we have seen a profit booking has come, and we have seen the sharp fall in the price and made a low of around 25. again, when it has moved upside a level of 77, we have seen a profit booking has come, and it made a low of around 42, and from there it has moved down. Again, if you look at the chart, when this level has crossed upside at a level of 77, okay, and crossed a level of 85, then again a profit booking has come, and it made a low of around 64.15. so the 1 2 3 levels being tested, and probability of going this is high. Suppose if it touches this level, or if it goes above a level of 95 or 100, we can see a profit booking can come, and we can see a sharp fall also. okay, but this is what I can see in the chart. This is a back tested, so please consult a financial advisor before you invest or trade. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and I have given you a workshop also you can attend, where I teach everything, where to exit, where to enter, and the psychological points where you can be a good trader. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.